It's your boy Javid in the motherfucking building. Today we got another Pro Pack opening, 53K, and we got another special thing to open. Where is it? View items. Check it out. 6 trophy pack, Eggs Chance pack, one of them. Easter basket. Oh my god, it's a tongue twister. Easter basket pack and the gold Easter player pack. All right, so let's freaking get it. First of all, we start off probably with Pro packs. Let's go over here. Pro pack time. Here we go. Jason Hatcher. Who is that? What? Alright. You know, I'm just getting new to YouTube. Make sure you drop a like and subscribe. Kenneth Acker. You know, let's save these. Let's go into my view items. Let's do the 6 trophy pack. Silver, bronze, reveal all. All bronze. All right, I'll take that. All right, let's go to the exchange pack. 200 bronze. That was disgusting. Easter basket. This is what I've been looking forward to. Here we go. Reveal all. Damn, nothing. All right, here we go. Gold Easter player pack. Cameron Brate. I already got him before, and I put him into the elite player exchange. Not exchange, the Easter player set. Yeah. All right, back to the Pro Packs, ladies and gentlemen. Yep, another Easter egg. All right. Pack luck has not been that good lately. Miles Austin. Come on, where's the fucking juice at? Give me the juice. This pack, I'm feeling it. Reveal all. Roadside Atlanta. Do those things even go for anything? Anymore? Probably not. Two more Pro Packs. An Easter egg collectible. Elite. Damn it. Oh, update team. At least we got an update team. That's pretty cool. All right. Hopefully I can add more content to my YouTube channel. You know, I'm just starting out. Hopefully we can pull off another elite. Oh, never mind. Well, there's still another chance. Reveal all. Oh, damn. All right. All right. That's all for today's Pro Pack opening and Easter pack opening. Let's see what we got. No one that good. All right. This is your boy Javiv. Not Javiv. Oh my God. Javid. He's signing out. See you in the next Madden video. Peace.